Now, one thing you want to do once in a while is grease things up. So we're going to go ahead and grease this sway bar link. Huh, I'm out of grease. Go figure. Alright, now that I got grease in the gun, we can see about getting some grease in these sway bar links. There we go. Yeah. There. Got the grease going. Popped out over at the back here, so I know it's full. Now let's do the top of this right here on this ball joint. There we go. Got a couple in the ball joint here. Might put another one in there. Doesn't feel like it's too full. Not a ball joint, tie rod end. There. Now she's bulging up. In pretty good shape too. Definitely needed a couple squirts. Nothing's leaking out, so it's all intact. Now we do this other sway bar link, which we won't be able to do because with these Moogs, I gotta drop this in order to get this top one up here. So that's the problem on that one. But we do have the bottom one done. Let's do the other side, because I have to actually put weight on this to bring the axle up to reach the grease fitting on here, because it's so close. It's unbelievably close. So can't get the actual fitting to fit on there to actually grease it up. There we go. And this one comes from the top. There we go. There. Didn't take much on that one. Clean that grease up just a little bit. There we go. And again, the top one I can't get because it's so close to the axle. But wait a second, I can get that one. I can get that one, I think. Maybe. If I come up from the right way. Nope. I think I got it. There we go. Yep, I got grease in her, so the other one I'll have to drop the car. I'll get that here, but you guys have the idea. These Zerk fittings, if you do the Moogs, you do have to grease them up. They have to be greased. If you don't want to do that, then don't buy this type. Buy the sealed ones. But if you buy the ones that are greasable, you have to grease them. Otherwise they'll wear out faster, and then you got to do the work all over again. So that's pretty much where you're at on this. That being said, that's it.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.